tap, 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 like, share, follow. I think my coffee is like the same color as my shorts. Look at me all matchy-matchy first thing this morning. Am I from Colorado? No, I am Canadian. Yes, I am feeling well. I keep popping up. Well, then you might as well just drop a follow. Good morning. How old am I? Old enough to know what I'm doing. Good morning, good morning. A tour of my refrigerator? No, that's weird. I'm not giving you a tour of my refrigerator. Come on, you guys. Tap, tap, tap. Oh. Okay, you guys, your comments are so fast. I don't even have time to read one. Are you all girl geared up for the World Cup soccer hosted in Canada? No. I didn't even know we were hosting. The counter? Yes, there's a tablet over there. Good morning, good morning. I'm not live. Yes, I am. Good morning, Jeffrey. Just in Canada. Doesn't matter where. Israel, good morning, good morning. Hello, Chris, Jamie, Rob. Thank you, thank you. Good morning, everyone.